My correct people, how na dey? Welcome back again to my channel. Hey, my people, no be small thing o, no be small thing as I dey tell una like this, my people. Agbada don hook barbed wire as I dey tell una like this. Allegedly, my people, one of the wailing wailers, Olori Mariam, my people, she's at it again. My people. Wetin she come do this time around, my people? They say they see her when be say she wan enter Queen Naomi chamber, but God when be say no dey sleep, neither e dey slumber, God come still expose her. God still burst her bubble, my people. Wetin come happen? They say this thing when I dey tell una like this, they say na on Sunday the matter happen o. On Sunday like this, na know say for Ife kingdom, for Kabiyesi palace, majority for there na Christian. And I know as na Christian, they still dey do this traditional things and the Christianity na dem dey practice for there. And if the one for tradition come, they go do. The one for church come, they go do. Now they feel me. So according to wetin we hear, they say that on Sunday, when we say most people they don go church, most people for palace they don ready, they don go church. Now few people na dem remain for palace. Now they feel me. So na few people remain for palace. So my people. Now we come here say allegedly like this, they come hear noise dey come out from Queen Naomi chambers. Wetin come be the noise? They hear security alarm. Wow. Say chief security officer come say that alarm, where that alarm dey come from? Say because the last time when he check, you know say Kabiyesi secretly install the security alarm for Queen Naomi chamber, but none of them know, my people. None of them know. So they think say na business as usual. Now they feel me. So they say chief security officer come say this security alarm like this, you know say na from Queen Naomi side na this alarm dey ring. Make dem go check wetin dey happen, my people. Lo and behold, as they come reach there, they see how Olori Mariam wan penetrate enter Queen Naomi chamber, but far she no succeed o. She no succeed, my people, because I know say last time Kabiyesi change all the locks for Queen Naomi chamber after the renovation, and I know say Kabiyesi still installed CCTV camera, sophisticated ones at that o, and Kabiyesi still order for essential dogs, all these police dogs dem, to dey watch over Queen Naomi chamber. Now they feel me. But wetin come surprise the CSO part be say, cause these dogs when be say as soon as they see somebody dey come close to Queen Naomi chamber, they go begin dey bark. When be say the tune of the bark itself, anybody when they come close go fear, no go close to Queen Naomi chamber, my people. But chief security officer come dey wonder say wetin come happen, because they come go check the dogs, my people. They say the dogs, all of them just dey sleep one kind mumu sleep. They sleep one kind mumu sleep. Now they come go examine the dogs very well, my people. They say they throw something for the dogs to eat, my people. They throw something for the dogs to eat so that they no go feel back as Olori Mariam dey come close. Now they feel me, my people. The Bible tell us say the heart of man is wicked, not just wicked but desperately wicked, my people. So this one na dey hear like this, e no shock una again, my people, because this one e weak me like dodo when soak oil. If not because of una, they go put ogbonge CCTV camera, because of una Kabiyesi still go order for all these police dogs just to secure Queen Naomi's chamber. Still because of wetin she wan do, my people, she still go fit throw something for dogs. When we say all the dogs, they say dogs just come dey sleep mumu sleep, dogs no even know wetin dey happen, my people. But unknown to her now, she no know say Kabiyesi fix security alarm for Queen Naomi chamber, my people. Now no see how God dey do im work. Now no see how God dey fight for Queen Naomi. And to God be the glory wey be say the CSO, na only him and the people wey come mount that security alarm secretly, and Kabiyesi that na dem really know wetin dey. Every other person for palace, according to wetin we hear allegedly, say nobody know say security alarm dey. Na dey feel me, because true if Olori Mariam really know say security alarm dey, she for no try that thing when she try. na dey feel me, she for no try am at all because she knows everything for dey exposed. And the CCTV camera, we no know wetin she do to the CCTV camera. Dem no talk about that one sha, na dey feel me. But wetin come really give her the liver na wetin she wan go do for there, wetin she wan go do. So according to wetin we hear, chief security officer dem come dey hear the security alarm one. Na know that kind thing na wey be say the thing just dey shout like emergency when dem come reach there. Dem come ask her say madam, in the first place wetin carry you come this area? Because according to wetin dem talk say everybody get where his chamber dey for that palace, and this are where Queen Naomi chamber dey, so even dey far away from where Mariam own dey. Dem come dey ask her say from where to where? Wetin you dey find? Why you wan try penetrate enter Queen Naomi chamber? My people, dem say na from there she come dey talk cock and bull story o. She go talk the matter go here, talk the matter go here. My people, na dem say talk. CSO say this matter like this e pass im own power, make she prepare, make dem go Kabiyesi place go talk the matter. My people, as usual now, dem say she come dey there dey beg o, say no, why CSO go do that kind thing? Say after all, she's a bona fide wife of Kabiyesi, so she has every right to waka anywhere she wan waka for palace. My people, dem say CSO come tell her say talk, he no dey question you, he know say you be Kabiyesi wife, he no question you say why you dey waka for palace. But the thing wey him dey ask be say wetin you wan go find for Queen Naomi chamber? Wetin carry you come this Queen Naomi premises? Yes, because according to wetin we hear, chief security say the last time when he check, you know say Kabiyesi don give them order say make anything no carry them near this Queen Naomi chamber. So wetin be the thing wey she dey find go there? Na dey feel me. So my people, I don examine this Olori Mariam matter, this Olori Mariam, this Ronke. My people, we no really know wetin dey happen for that palace. Na dey feel me. We no know wetin be their motive, because I no know why dem no wan really allow Kabiyesi to get in peace for that palace, and I no know why dem really dey after Queen Naomi and Priest Adenikawo. Wetin be their aim? Because as I dey tell una now, my people, I no just understand. I'm short of words. Na dey feel me, because I no know why mamas dem, because I go call them mamas dem, because like Olori Ronke now, even Mariam, she reach to birth Queen Naomi as a daughter. Na dey feel me. And this one na woman wey be say she come her marriage jejeje, the time when she and Kabiyesi know na no dey there. But una come still maneuver una wey una still penetrate enter finish, make una still give her peace, na no give her. Make una give Kabiyesi peace, na no give Kabiyesi peace. Rather na dey disrespect Kabiyesi here and there. They make other kingdoms, they make caricature of Kabiyesi. A whole Oni of Ife, the Ojaja the second. Oni of Ife when be say that kingdom everybody hold in high esteem for the whole Yoruba kingdom. Now Ife kingdom be the kingdom when be say they really hold in high esteem, and even other kingdom for Yoruba nation, they look up to Ife kingdom. Now they feel me. But all of a sudden now, because of this women wey Kabiyesi go entangle himself with now, the thing for Ife palace now come just be like say na all these like I say we dey read the fiction fiction literature. Na not those literature wey we dey read that time for secondary school. Na dey feel me. So e just come be like say na wetin dey happen for Ife palace be that. So my correct people, abeg today na the first time wey dey come across my channel, kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, I say thank you. And to my returning viewers that are yet to subscribe, I say please, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit the notification bell. So my people, I say to make I see content, and I say still waiting. Olori Mariam wan do, but God when be say they always dey fight for Queen Naomi like this, God still make everything come to limelight. So this time around we dey wait because the last time, according to wetin chief security talk, say Kabiyesi say this thing wey happen like this, so no be matter when he go just preside on now. Say he wan hear from him father first, that's Parokpo, because this matter like this, e don dey pass in power. So my correct people, abeg today na the first time when they come across my channel, kindly subscribe. Till I come your way again, I love you so much. Thank you. Bye.